Next. So domain. Now we were talking about domain. So a domain is nothing, it's a website name, and these are called the extensions, right? So a domain name are used to identify IP addresses. Yes, for human being, that means domain is nothing, it's a name for understanding the human being, but for machine it is just like number, like, so we can say binary number, right? So that process is that means with that link we can say that's a uniform resource locator, that means the URL, that's the link. So here, suppose this is complete structure is called URL, right? Okay, so now next, so what should be the factor before selecting a domain? So before selecting a domain, you should think your business name. The business name should be, I mean, your website name should be related to a business as well, right? So before selecting, that means this point you should keep in mind. So while selecting your domain, that means you have to focus on the characters, right? So not more than 12 characters you should select. Whatever the domain name or website name you're selecting for your website, the ideal character limit is 12. Although you can go more than 12, but why 12 here? Because uh, it's a short name, right? Keep it short and specific. So why short? Because it is easy to remember, right? It is simple and predictable as well. Or in fact you can use in phrase, that means rhyming type of words you can use for your website as well, right? And avoid numbers and hyphens. So whenever you are selecting your domain or website name, don't use number, although you can take number, but as a SEO factor, number is not considered good, right? And you shouldn't select misspelling I mean domain name, right? So around the world there are more than 1500 extensions. So these are the main extension like .com, .org, and this is the top level domain as well, .gov, edu, org, mil, .com, .net. This is the top level domain. And like .in, .co, .in, .uk, .ca, .th, this is country based domain name. So .in, that means India, .uk, that means United Kingdom, .ca, that means Canada. So domain marketplace to buy domains. So these are the marketplace where you can purchase your domain like GoDaddy. In fact, we have seen GoDaddy advertisement in TV, right? So you can purchase from there, that means domain and hosting as well. And these are the other companies, or in fact, if you will simply search in Google, okay, like domain providers, so you'll be able to see the number of websites, right?